Hello everyone, you are welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. In today's tutorial, I'll be learning how to cut a sleeve, that is a hijab sleeve or a jilbab. It can be attached to either a jilbab or an hijab. So let's get right into the video. So first thing first, I've already cut out the fabric I'll be needing. So for the bigger one, the width is 10.5 while the length is 7.5 inches. For the smaller one, the width is the same but the length is 3.5 inches. So I'll go ahead to my sewing machine to hem the upper part and the lower parts for the smaller one, but the bigger one I'm going to hem just one side. You can see it. So the part I did not hem, you can see it, is where we attach back to our hijab. So what I'm going to do next is to measure 2 inches from the down part. So I'm going to measure 2 inches all the way so I can form a straight line. If you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, I don't know what you are waiting for. Please click on the subscribe button now if you haven't. Now, thank you. So after forming a straight line, what I'm going to do now is to bring out the smaller piece and just place it on that line that I wrote, exactly on the line. So this is it. I'm showing you because it's a black material. So what I'm going to do next is to tack the side and the other side to secure it down. After stitching, this is how it looks like. You can see it. This is it. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to fold it into 2 and go over to the ironing table to iron it so I can have a line there. So this is it after ironing. You can see the line I'm talking about. It's just to serve as a guide, it's nothing. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to sew on that line, directly on that line. Just give it a long stitch. So this is how it looks like. It has been secured down, you can see it. So I'll bring in the elastic I want to use. You can use a bigger elastic if you wish. So this particular elastic is about 0.3 inches. So from the straight line that I stitched earlier, I'm going to measure 0.3 inches upward. But yeah, I use 0.5 so to give room for more space for the elastic to pass through. So I'm going to rule a straight line. Make sure the line is straight. Then after that, I'll go ahead to sewing machine and stitch on it again. Yes. So this is it. I'm sure you can see it. This is it. So this 2 line is where elastic is going to pass through. You can see it. So what I'm going to do now is to bring in my elastic. I'm going to use a safety pin, a small size of safety pin, to pass the elastic into the fabric. So after that, I'm going to show you how it looks like. So after that, just remove my safety pin and arrange it very well. So now I'll go over to the sewing machine just to tack that side. So I've already tacked it. So before tacking the other side, I'll make sure to arrange it, make sure it's accommodating my round sleeve, make sure it's not too tight and it's not too loose as well. So you can even measure it also. I think my round sleeve is about 6 inches, so including allowance as well. So just add everything. So after getting your desired round sleeve, you just go ahead to the sewing machine to tack the other side as well. And this is how our sleeve looks like. We are basically done with our sleeve. The next thing to do now is just to fix it to our hijab or jilbab. So I'll go ahead to the sewing machine to fix it and show you how it looks like. So after fixing, this is the outcome. This is it looking beautiful. I love the fact that the sleeve is exceeding my wrist, like it's not directly on my wrist. That's just the beauty for me. And we are done with today's tutorial. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, you like, and turn on your notification bell to be notified whenever I upload new videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.